These are the steps that you need to pack in only carry-on luggage. If you need a tutorial or a refresher and you have not flown in a very long time, this video is going to help you pack. You're going to have just enough travel essentials, and you're also going to fit everything in a carry-on suitcase with the steps that I teach you. As a pilot family flying standby most of the time for over 22 years, I have learned from many mistakes of having to pack in carry-on only. When I taught elementary school, we would talk about the taco fold and the hot dog fold. So that travel tip is decide if you want to fold like a taco or fold lengthwise, which a lot of people do not remember to do when you are folding or rolling. Another travel tip to remember while you're watching me teach you how is that you want every surface level to be level and flat. You don't want it lopsided because that makes it harder to pack. I pack in compression packing cubes. One, it does keep you organized somewhat, but it also compresses the air in between your clothes. Today, I'm not going to use that. I'm just going to show you my folding and how I pack. Packing is an entire process that starts before you even open up your carry-on luggage. You're going to mix your thinking process versus your personality and the goals of this vacation. Do you need to have a special outfit for several nights in a nice restaurant? Are you more of a practical type, or are you wanting to look cute and buy something new? That will help you before you even make your packing list. What I have learned is do what's easiest for you, and you will learn after a few trips what packing methods work for you, what clothing you do not need to pack just in case, and all that kind of thing. Okay, before you make your packing list, you're going to do 4, maybe 3 things. Number 1, check the weather for those days. Number 2, check the activities and excursions you're going to do on those days that it could be raining. And then you're going to number 3, find the shoes that you need in case it rains. And you're going to pack at least 1 pair of water repellent or water resistant or waterproof shoes if it's lots of rain. These tennis shoes are completely waterproof. Notice that they have a rugged sole, okay? They're slip-on basically. I wish I would have taken those on my river cruise trip because it poured rain like for 5 days straight. These are a new pair of shoes that I bought. They have such good support, so do these. And these are water resistant. Depending on my activities, which I'm going to New York City, I do not need these because the weather is great. And these are good enough to get me into a restaurant with black clothing. I know for my trip, we are going to be walking all day, sightseeing in New York City, and it's going to be really cold and windy. I just spent like 2 minutes running around the house looking for my other tennis shoes that I pack. I was wearing them. One of the activities you may be doing is walking on cement or touring all day. And this is what I'm going to be doing. So I have to pack my arch inserts. And my travel tip is choose the high arch. Anyway, step number 2 is you're going to put those shoes that you need for the excursions on the floor. Pick 2 pairs of pants that will go with 1 of those water repellent shoes. These are my water repellent shoes. I'm going to eliminate these from my packing. My travel tip usually is to only pack 2 pairs of shoes. And then if you're going to a beach location, it's easier to pack sandals or supportive sandals. If you are going to a beach location and you're going to be doing hiking during the day with sandals on, you can do a 2-for-1 travel hack. And that means you're going to pack sandals with good arch support that are water resistant that you can tour with during the day or hike with minimally on a little trail in Hawaii maybe. And then you're also going to wear those into a restaurant, but you only had to pack 1 pair of sandals, okay? I'm going to wear these in the airplane with my black jeans, okay? So now I just need 2 pairs of pants that are going to go with those boots or my Hokas. The next step is to know for sure what the size dimensions requirements are for your airline for both bags, your personal item bag as well as your carry-on luggage. If you are going to Australia or from Australia or Canada, some of them are so strict with the size and maybe the weight. As you can see, I'm giving you so many travel tips before you start packing, okay? But it's all to help it be easier once you do start. One travel tip to keep in the back of your mind is you're going to pack as much as you can in your suitcase and then extend that into your personal item bag in maybe a compression cube, let's say. It's going to be compact like a book in the very bottom of your personal item bag. Maybe the week before or the day before, you can pack your undies, socks, pajamas, and you can set those aside and already have them in your carry-on suitcase. Here's an important step. This is going to help you with every trip. Your goal should be to pack all of your clothing for your entire vacation in this one side of your carry-on suitcase, okay? So that's going to be our goal. Shoes, toiletries, other items can go in this side and my personal item bag. One of the key processes of packing and carry-on luggage is knowing that you are going to re-wear clothing. And that means if I'm going to have some exercise shorts to walk down to the pool in after dinner one night at my resort, or walk along the beach in the morning with, I can also wear them to run down to the buffet breakfast one of the mornings or all of the mornings. I can rewear them and they're not going to get super dirty. And exercise shorts, for example, are easy dry or quick dry, so you can wash them in the sink. Now I have my water repellent shoes. I've got my tennis shoes that I need or any other shoes in here in a shoe bag if you're worried about germs. Then I have my 2 pairs of pants that are going to go with that. Now, here's the key travel tip. I want all of my outfit tops to match and mix. Mix and match with both of these pairs of pants. A strategic step is to also make those tops be able to be worn with the jeans that I wear inside the airplane with those boots I talked about. If you have any bulky vacation outfit pieces, the next step is to drape those over your clothes after you've done packing. So these are like paper thin water repellent, and these are my pants that are stretchy, but they do not drag the floor in the airport. But these are a little bulky, so I'm going to save those till last. Now I'm going to find 5 tops that are versatile for these pants. And by versatile, I mean 2 different definitions. Number 1, versatility means I can mix and match. Number 2, they help me pivot. I can pivot if it's raining that day or if it's not raining that day and still have the right tops for those bottom trousers. In the winter, an easy color scheme is the color black. Black is such a neutral. It goes with red. It goes with bright blue. It goes with a lot of colors except navy blue. I bought a cashmere sweater from Quince. It is navy blue, and I'm not packing it for this trip because I don't want to pack khakis or a colored denim or blue jeans, really, because these are more versatile with the tops and the activities and the weather for that trip. Does that make sense? In the summer, I usually use a blue color scheme. If you do not know the travel hack, wear your heaviest and bulkiest shoes in the airplane as your travel outfit, if that helps. With all of the tops that I chose, you can tell that I can wear a base layer with those bottom trousers or with the jeans that I'm going to have on in the airplane. They're black jeans. I can also wear them if I'm hot in a restaurant or a stagnant, no airflow metro station. But then I can also have that layer along with wearing a coat in the airplane while I'm touring during the day. I love this type because of the backpack straps for travel. You can wear them over a backpack or you can wear them over your shoulders just while you're shopping in a mall in the winter and you're warm inside. Here's a great travel outfit challenge that is going to help you down the road for every trip. You're going to find 5 tops that go with one of those pairs of pants, okay? And when I say that they are versatile pieces, I mean that I can wear every one of these 5 tops with these black pants, right? Which travel outfit clothing am I re-wearing? The pants, right? But now that I have another pair of pants that is going to blend with the same shirts, now I can wear these with these trousers as well. And what am I re-wearing with these? I'm wearing the tops once and twice, okay? Because you have a base layer, you're really gonna keep the top layers totally clean. You can swap out these short sleeve shirts or 3/4 length sleeve shirts for longer sleeve shirts, depending on your vacation. So if I only pack 5 tops, I have worn them 10 times based on these 2 trousers. But remember, I also have my black denim I'm wearing in the airplane, so I can even wear a couple of these things with those black jeans, right? This would be in a restaurant. This could be at a cute cafe with my black jeans. Now we just play Tetris with all of our folded pieces. You can stand them up vertically or pack them flat. You can see that I'm packing them along the length of the carry-on suitcase. You may also want to switch them so that they are going against the length, okay? And see if that leaves more space. Now I have everything that is one surface level. There's nothing that's lopsided, but look at what happens. When I compress those clothes, look at all this space that opens up in my carry-on suitcase. I can pack my pullover right there. I can pack this little t-shirt there. I usually pack with the folding method, and here's why. It is faster and easier for me. When I do have space left over after packing, I will use the rolling method to fit an extra shirt or something extra that I have rolled up in the corner, or do not forget about underneath in between the luggage handles. Now I'm going to drape my thicker flare pants. And then I'm going to have, see this lower space down here at the bottom? I can pack my technology case or my toiletry kit in there, or even my liquids bag after airport security if you do not have TSA pre-check. But for this trip, this is where I'm going to pack my undies, my socks, my pajamas, and then I can squeeze in my curling iron right here. That's what I usually do. These pockets right here are where I store my dirty laundry while I'm on vacation. One travel tip is remember that you do not have to pack your shoes together in one shoe bag. You can pack your socks down in your shoes if that helps you save space. But I'm just showing you this with no bag so that you can see all of the lopsided space that you have left. And I have my toiletry kit, my liquids bag, which is probably going to be in my personal item bag. I have a whole video on how to organize your personal item bag, as well as some other videos that are going to be so helpful for your travels this year. Some of you have noticed that we have less space underneath the airplane seat. So I talk about the airplane seat that you should avoid in a video. And then I also am talking, I have a travel hack video in the first comment for you. If that seat back pocket is like this narrow and short, I have some travel hacks to help you fit more in those pockets. 5 genius travel hacks. So be sure to watch that one as well. All right, thanks for your time, and leave me your questions below in the comments, and read our community's comments because they are very helpful and sometimes fly more than I do. All right, thanks.